Good evening, everybody. It's great to be here at the IFTA. It's my first time. Well, from Frank O'Connor to Maeve Binchy, we Irish always had a love of a concise story beautifully told. To capture the essence of a story in shorter form is something Irish filmmakers have excelled at recently with Oscar-winning results. And this year's nominations are every bit as special. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominations are...
The Girl with the Mechanical Maiden. Fear of Flying.
This is it.
Morning.
They kept telling me, I shouldn't see the body. And I shouldn't go see the place.
I might have been for the best.
All you have to do is just take me there. I'll make my own way home.
Rhinos.
You here. Holidays.
Ob ich hier dirigiere?
Ja, holidays.
Nee. Ich bin hier so zum Urlaub.
And the winner is Morning.
Whoa. The last time I got one of these, my dad, he fell on the floor. My mum thought he was having a heart attack. So Dad, if you're lying on the floor, get up. I just want to say a humongous thanks to the National Film and Television School in London. They've been amazing. And for Northern Ireland Screen for giving me the scholarship to study there. I would like to thank our cast and crew for being so fearless and helping us do this really special film. But most of all, I'd like to thank my parents. I've been at this for 7 years and you stood behind me, so thank you.
Thank you to our family. Anna, hi Mum.